broken. I literally have to log out. It's making that noise like when you go to the dark zone areas. And it won't stop. I'm walking around for 5 minutes, it just won't stop. If I go back to the basement, it's like really annoying. Oh. Oh my god. Let's see if it makes noise when I go in here. And then some guy was shooting at him, he just disappeared. It's probably gonna make noise when I walk in here. It fucking sounds like E.T. and shit. Stop. See,
Readings indicate this area is safe.
look how many people still play Division. Look, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people down here. That's crazy. Look at this. People still play this game. These nuts. Oh, there's another guy back there. Oh, there's 2 more guys back there. 3 more guys back there. So if you want to add them here, I'll give you your names. Oh, there's people down here. Holy shit, bro. So I think I can just go like this. It gives me a whole list. There you go. So, yeah. These nuts is over there in the corner somewhere. So I need to optimize my weapon. So I might have enough now. Please tell me I have enough. So I need more division tech to update my weapon. So that's what we need to do. The first bullet of a magazine has a 25% chance to apply the on fire status effect. So this gun does that. And then my other G36 gives me health back when I kill people. So all these weapons have been optimized. I just need this one.